So good morning friends, welcome to my channel World Travel with Atul. Right now I am in the city center of Luxembourg waiting for my tram. So this tram will take me to the flea market which is 5 stations away from the city center, and it will hardly take 5 or 10 minutes to reach there. So this is the flea market. We have reached the flea market. So now explore the flea market of Luxembourg. The Luxembourg City Flea Market is a large street market where private individuals can sell second-hand items they no longer need. It is different to the antique market, which is reserved for professional vendors. Not only is the flea market an unmissable event for bargain hunters and vintage fans, it's a great excuse to go out for a Sunday stroll around the city. The exact venue is the flea market is held at Place Guillaume II, and the timings are from 10 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. in the evening. So in Luxembourg, people take the time to enjoy life several times a week. Different places in the city host markets with colorful stands. Wander through the stalls to find local products or souvenir of each year. What could be more interesting? City center, train station, Bonnevoie or Kirchberg, each corner of Luxembourg City has its market selling fresh produce. You will find locally produced fruits and vegetables, flowers, and an endless variety of local products, sauces, jams, confectionery. It is a feast for the eye, even without tucking into the wide range of products on display. Lovers of originals, handmade, or unusual objects will have a great time locating that unique bargain or prize item in these city center markets. A garage sale takes place every month on Sunday on the Place Guillaume Flea Market. Enthusiasts meet twice a month. So there are quite advantages of shopping at flea markets. Shopping at flea markets offer numerous advantages that make the experience both enjoyable and beneficial. One of the main draws is the opportunity to find unique and one of a kind items that are not available in regular stores, such as vintage furniture, antique jewelry, rare books, and collection. Additionally, free markets often provide the chance to score great bargains as sellers are usually open to negotiation, allowing you to purchase items at a fraction of their retail price. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.